Okay, I'm done with cables. I'm switching to wireless charging 100%.
Wait, why? Wired charging is way faster. You're sacrificing performance for laziness.
It's not laziness, it's convenience. No more plugging, unplugging 20 times a day.
But wireless is slower. My phone goes from 0 to 100% in 30 minutes with my wired charger.
Sure, but how often do you actually drain your battery to 0%? For daily top-ups, wireless is perfect.
Still, if I'm in a hurry, wireless is useless. I need speed.
Fair, but think about your office desk. No more cable clutter. Just drop your phone on the charger and go.
I guess my desk is a mess of cables. But what about heat? Wireless charging makes phones hotter.
Newer chargers have cooling tech. And honestly, how often do you sit there staring at your phone while it charges?
Good point. But what about photos, videos? Ever tried shooting a video while your phone is wirelessly charging?
Actually, yes. I use a vertical wireless charger. Prop it up, charge, and record hands-free. Perfect for TikTok or Zoom calls.
Wait, but doesn't the charger block the camera?
Not if you position it right. Some chargers are super slim, or use a stand that angles the screen toward you.
Okay, but at home I charge overnight. Wired is still better for that.
Why? Wireless works the same overnight, plus no cable wear and tear. My USB-C port is already loose from daily plugging.
It's true, but wireless pads take up space on my nightstand.
Or you could mount a charger under your desk or behind a lamp. Out of sight, out of mind.
I've never thought of that. What about traveling?
Portable wireless chargers are a game changer. No cables to lose. Just toss it in your bag.
But portable wireless chargers are bulky.
Not the new ones. Some are smaller than your phone. Charge your phone and your AirPods at the same time.
Okay, but what if I'm at a cafe with no wireless charger?
Carry a 6-inch cable. It's less annoying than lugging a tangle of wires everywhere.
I see your point. But I still think wired is better for intense use, like gaming or GPS navigation.
Agreed. Wireless isn't perfect, but for 90% of daily use, checking emails, texts, quick videos, it's flawless.
Alright, you've convinced me to try it. But if my phone dies during a meeting, I'm blaming you.
Deal. Start with a cheap charger. Oh, and get one with a non-slip surface. Dropping your phone, bad for performance.
Noted. Now teach me how to hide the charger in my office so my boss doesn't think I'm slacking.
Easy. Stick it under your desk ledge. Charge discreetly while pretending to take notes.
You're the worst. But thanks.
Anytime. Welcome to the wireless dark side.